Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Usama Hatainya and I'm here to explain my project report, which is evaluating season long team performance in the Big 5 European Football League using partially square regression modeling. Data analytics in football generally examines what factors influence team success. One way of doing that is regression analysis. Regression analysis investigates the relationship between a set of independent variables and a set of dependent variables and can predict outcomes based on new information. Various approaches have been used to examine the relationship between on-field statistics and team success using regression analysis. Robusto created a multiple linear regression model with impressive results. However, multiple linear regression is limited by multicollinearity and small sample size. Sheldon Gonzalez and George Lewis used machine learning algorithms, but these results are difficult to interpret and understand. One regression model capable of dealing with those issues is partially square regression. Partially square regression is built on the general ideas of multiple linear regression and principal component analysis, and maximizes the covariance between principal components and their dependent variables. Our methodology has 4 steps. First, we gather data from Football Reference, then we create the partially square regression model, then we evaluate the performance of the model, and then we interpret the model. First objective is to evaluate the model. First, we see the root mean square error prediction. The root mean square error prediction plot flattens out the 3 components, so we decide to use 3 components for our model from here on. Here we see the predicted and measured result for the training sample and the testing sample. The predictions are well across the board. They're more accurate for the training sample than the testing sample as seen by the RMSEP, and their predictions are equally well across the board, I would say. There's no clear bias where if you're a stronger team or if you're a weaker team, the predictions are more accurate. Second objective is to interpret the model and use variable importance of projection. The higher your VIP score, the more important the variable is. So we found 9 important variables, most important of which are shooting stats, which are goals and post-shot expected goals, followed by possession stats like completed passes and carries. Our conclusion is that the model performs well in predicting performance across the performance spectrum for both the training and testing sample, and that using variable importance and projection to calculate the importance of each variable overall, we find that shooting stats contribute most to the model, followed by possession stats. That's it for my presentation. I thank you for listening and hope you will learn something from this.